Hi friend, this is Lait Matolia from NPL Tech. Today we are discussing about the linked list program. So how to write the linked list program, how to enter elements into the nodes and how to display the elements from the nodes. So we are writing one program in Turbo C. So click on the file menu, then click on the new. Now F5 press for full screen mode. We are entering some header files here. Has include stdio.h for standard input output header file. Has include conio.h for console input output header file. Then main function we can write. First of all, we will declare some structure for your singly linked list. So for writing the structure, you can create structure. So struct node you have to create. Now you can write your node name as start equals to, we are giving the node value as null. So here you can write two members of structure, integer data and struct node star next. So integer data is your data part and struct node star next is known as self-referential structure. Self-referential structure. It means that your node is pointing to the same type of node. So we have created one node for the singly linked list. So you can write struct node, then integer data, then struct node star next. Singly linked list structure we are writing. Fine. Now we are writing some menu driven programming here. So integer ch will be your choice number and whatever number you are entering you can write by using the num. So we are using one do while loop. So you can write do while and then one is at condition, so you can always execute this loop. So we are writing some printf statement here, \n for new line. At one position we want to create a linked list. Fine. Now second we want to display the linked list. Now we can write second display. So we are using two functions, first for creating a linked list and second for displaying the linked list. Now printf at the third you can exit from the loop. Now I am writing one more statement here, enter your choice. Now you can take value at runtime by using the scanf function. So you can write address of ch. So what is your choice? You can either input 1, 2 and then 3. Whatever your choice you can enter. So you can write switch statement here, switch ch. Now you can write your case value. So at case 1 we are entering value in the structure. So you can write your value, enter any number as a message. Now you can take value at runtime, then you can write scanf function %d and then address of number. Now you can call a function. So create list is function name and then you can put break. So break will exit from your switch case. Now you can write second statement and you want to display your list, then you can call display method and then break. And case 3 will be exit from your loop, then you can write exit and default will be your invalid choice. So you can print invalid choice. Fine. Now we want to declare the prototype of your function. So we are writing prototype here. So first prototype we are writing integer is the void is the return type for your create list function and we are taking one argument as integer. Now void display is function name. Now we are not taking any argument from the display function. And what is the return type of display function? Void. Now we want to give the definition to the function, so you can write void create list is your method name. Now you can take integer number as the value. Now second function definition you can write display, and here you can write your code for the displaying your list. Now what to do? We have to check the condition. If your start node equal null, now we have to write some code here, and we are creating some nodes. So struct node star q and star temp. So q is used for traversing the linked list, and star temp is used for adding your temporary node. So first, if your start node equal null, then we have to give the memory to the start. So for allocating memory, you can use malloc function. So default return type for the malloc function is void star, means generic type. Now we have to convert it into the struct node star type. So we have written struct node star. You can write malloc. Now what is the size of your node? So struct node you can write. Now we are having two parts. One is your data part. So we are writing data part as num, and start of next part we are writing as null. So null stands for terminating your node. If start equal null, then this code will be generated. Otherwise, we have to traverse the list. So you can write q is equals to start. Now for traversing, you can write while loop q not equal to null. Now you can write q is equals to q of next. So we can traverse from one node to another node. Now we want to create a new node. Add new node at the end. So for adding new node, you can write temp equals to, again you have to allocate memory to the temporary node. So you can write struct node star malloc, then size of struct node. Now you can give number. So you can write temp of data is equals to number. Now temp of next is equals to null. Now we want to refer the previous node to the temporary node. So you can write q of next is equals to temp. Okay. If any changes, then we can check. Now for displaying your number, we can take struct node star q as temporary node. Now we can write for loop q is equals to start. Now whenever q not equal to null, then we can write q is equals to q of next. So you can print your data by using the %d and \n. So you can write q of data. Fine. For saving your file, you can press F2 key. So you can save singly linklist.c. C is extension for your C language file. So for compiling your program, you can press Ctrl F9. So we are having three choices. First is create a linked list, second is display, and third is exit. So you can press 1, now enter. So you can enter your number 10, then again 1, then number 20, 1, number 30, 1, number 40, 1, number 50. So you want to display the list, now you can write 2. So we are having only 10 as the first number. So we are having some errors. We want to display in the correct manner. So we have to change the code. So what are the problem? So temp of data equals to num, temp of next is equals to null, and q of next is equals to temp. So we are writing here as q of next is not equal to null, then you can write q is equals to q of next. Again save and then again compile. One choice you have entered 10, one choice, then 20, 1, then 30, 1, then 40, 1, then 50. Now you want to display, you can write 2. So we are having the result 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 in the new line. Now if you want to print in the same line, then what you will write? We have to use \t in place of \n. Now again you can run. So one number choice we are having 10, one number choice 20, 1, then 30, 1, then 40, 1, then 50, 1, then 60. Now we want to print the result, you can write display. So we are having the result 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Now we want to add element at the beginning. So for adding element at the beginning, we have to create one more method, void add beg beginning. Now we can write integer. So this is the prototype for adding your number at the beginning. So you can use at 4th number position printf \new line for add beginning. So we want to add element at the beginning position, so you can write 4th number choice. Now we want to move to the case number 4. So you can write case 4. So you can take value at runtime. So you can write printf \new line, enter any number. Now you can take value at runtime. You can use scanf function, then %d, and you can write address of num. Now you can call your function name add beg. So add beg is your function name. Now you can pass number here and then break. So we have called the function add beginning. Now we have to write the definition for your add beginning function, add beg. Now you can take one argument. Now here you can write struct node star temp. Temp is your temporary node. Now what to do? We have to create the memory allocation. So we have to write temp is equals to struct node star malloc, then you can write size of struct node. Now you can allocate temp of data is equals to num, temp of next is equals to here you can write start, sorry, q is equals to start, and here you can write node star q. So we have written q is equals to start. Now temp of data equals to num. Now we have to refer temp of next is equals to q, and we want to refer start to the temp node. Okay, now we can check is this correct or wrong. So here first we have associated a q equals to start. Now we have allocated memory to the temp. Now we have associated temp of data equals to num. Now temp of next equals to q, where q is pointing to the start. Now you can refer start to the temp. So we have added the element at the first position. Now we can check what is the result. Suppose if you want to add element at the first position, first we will display the list is 10, 20, 30. Now we want to add element at first position. So you can write your choice 4. Now we want to add 500 as a number at the first position. Now you can type 2. So we are having 500 at the first position. Okay, so we have done 3 cases. One is creating the linked list, then displaying the linked list, then we have added at the beginning. So thanks for watching my channel. So if you want more doubts, so you can visit to my channel, YouTube channel also, and my website is having name www.npltech.in. You can visit to my URL also. So thanks for watching my channel.